tool unboxing right here. Got drill, tool drill. Okay. New tool unboxing, brand new. Let's see what is the bag. Ooh, 2 battery already. 2 battery. Pull up the bag out. Here we go. My new tool. Okay, in the bag. Alright. Let's see what is in here. We got the battery. We got another battery. We got one tool here, driller, and then we got the other tool here. Okay. Yeah. And we got the battery charger. I guess those are some tools to hold it. And yeah, that's it. So we got 2 battery charger, and we got those 2 tools. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna get to the job. And we got all this paperwork, the manual. Okay. You can read it and know how to use it. I like the bag though. The bag is cute. Now you don't need to buy another bag for this thing. I will let you know how it works, okay? All right. I'll be like, zzz. Right? You feel me? I'll be like, Feel me? Okay. All right. Just want to show you what I got today. Peace out.